Welcome to Hymn Play. My name is Pilot Siamonga, and in this video I'm going to sing for you the notation for the hymn Watchman Blow the Gospel Trumpet. Mulindi liha impeta. Okay, I'm going to sing the notation for soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. Okay, so if it is the first time for you to watch my videos, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow all my social media accounts. On Facebook, I have got 2 pages: Pilot Siamonga Music Notes Desk and also Hymn Play. Make sure you follow those accounts. And on TikTok, I have 1 account, Pilot Siamonga. Just search for Pilot Siamonga and you will see my profile. Make sure you follow so that whenever I post a new video, we'll be moving together. Okay, so for today, let's get started. According to this notation, this song is the do is B flat. Okay, the do is B flat, and the notes for soprano are as follows: do, re, do, so, mi, so, do, mi, la, ti, do, mi, re. Do, re, do, so, mi, so, do, mi, re, so, ti, la, so. Fa, re, ti, so, mi, re, do, so. Do, 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 ti, do, re, mi. Mi, re, do, so, do, mi, so. Fa, fa, mi, re, do, mi, re, do. That was for soprano. And the notation for the alto is okay, the notation for alto are as follows. Okay, mi, fa, mi, so, mi, so, mi, so, fa, fa, ve, so, mi, fa, mi, so, mi, so, mi, so, ve, so, ti, so, mi, la, ze, so, fa, mi, so, ti, la, so, fa, mi. Okay, that was for alto. That was for alto. Okay, now we go for tenor. Okay, we maintain the pitch. Okay, for tenor, the notes are as follows: so, mi, so, do, re, la, do, ti. So, mi, so, do, ti, re, do, ti. Re, ti, so, fa, mi, do, la, ti, do, ti. Do, so, do, re, do, ti, do. That was for tenor. That was for tenor. And the last one The notes for bass are as follows: do, 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 so, mi, so, do. Oh, sorry, I'm pointing the pointer is on the wrong position. Do, 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 so, mi, so, do, do, fa, fa, re, 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 so. Do, 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 so, mi, so, do, do, re, 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 so. So, 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 do, do, la, la, fa, fa, mi, la, mi, do, 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 mi, fa, re, mi, fa, re, so, so, do. That is for bass. Okay, that was for bass. And now what we are going to do is that we are going to drop the voice with lyrics for soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. As you can see here, we have only managed to sing the notation. Now, if you want to know exactly how you can sing the lyrics using this notation, just go to our website. It's a new web. Just go to hymnplay.net/tutorials and you will find the voices with lyrics for soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. And you can also download the score. You can download this same notation I was using here. You can download it at hymnplay.net/scores. Okay, you can download the score in PDF so that you keep your rehearsal easier as you continue. Okay, so make sure you don't forget to do so that you complete the tutorials. You follow the voices, how you can sing them correctly, voice by voice, with lyrics. Just hit hymnplay.net/tutorials. We keep on moving together. Thank you so much for watching. Pilot Siamonga. See you in the next video.